Welcome aboard a journey through the future of European railway infrastructure and maintenance systems. Our departure point is Europe's rail joint undertaking. This public-private partnership aims to transform European railways through technological integration. Today, we'll be boarding the FP3-IAM4Rail Express, a project developing predictive maintenance systems based on artificial intelligence, advanced sensors, and data analysis platforms. It aims to deliver cost-effective management, increased reliability, and environmental sustainability. Each of the stops we'll make along our journey represents a key technology demonstrator of the project. For a pleasant and safe ride, infrastructure integrity is essential. Multi-scale monitoring systems with advanced sensors and big data platforms detect infrastructure defects, estimate residual lifetimes, and recommend precise maintenance actions to prevent disruptions, ensuring both safety and cost efficiency. Next stop, the bogie monitoring checkpoint. Wayside acoustic, visual, laser and radio frequency identification technologies capture critical data, enabling precise maintenance scheduling, extending assets' life. At the Traffic Management Center, the Intelligent Asset Management System integrates with traffic management systems. Analytics algorithms transform real-time data into actionable insights, optimizing both maintenance schedules and traffic flow across Europe. Welcome to Digital Twin Terminal, where technology leverages building information models for station asset management, enabling maintenance optimization and reducing physical testing through advanced simulation capabilities. Now we'll make just a short stop for repairs. For Europe's infrastructure maintenance, in situ additive manufacturing repair machines address track damage. These systems remove damaged material, add new metal using laser technology, and precisely finish repairs all without removing rails from service. So our journey can continue more reliably than ever. We are now at the robotics platform, which features on-rail multi-purpose inspection robots and train underbody inspection systems. Upper-body hybrid exoskeletons support railway workers, while augmented reality tools leverage BIM and digital twin technologies for supervision and maintenance operations. In a few seconds, we will reach our final destination, the FP3-IAM4Rail Central. This is a European project with 29 beneficiaries, including 9 major operators, 17 railway integrators and suppliers, and 3 research centers, plus 65 affiliated entities, all coordinated by ADIF, the Spanish Railway Infrastructure Administrator. These entities, from more than 10 European countries, have joined forces in this EU-funded project to create increasingly sustainable transport that all citizens can greatly benefit from, and strengthen European railway industry's competitiveness while meeting safety and reliability standards. Thank you for traveling with us on this journey into Europe's railways future.